Yep. There it is. Nice fish. Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the jungle. It's just a short video today. Last light session using soft plastics. I was using the IA 2.2 inch Pondler as well as the 7'3" Storm Discovery. I was able to get some pretty good distance and I was combing the bottom and I think I caught 3 fish. So I'm just going to roll in the clips for you guys to enjoy and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh, miss. I missed one. Yep, fish on. Yep, nice. Slowly bouncing the bottom. Yep. Doesn't feel very big. It feels quite small. Awesome. Good fish, guys. There's one right below me. There's one right below it. Okay. So you just try. No? Okay, I was casting this way. Awesome. Good stuff. Okay. But there was one more next to it though.
Nice.
Hell yeah. Let me fix this. I missed him on the first round, then got him on the second one. Good stuff. Nice. See ya. We wanna be ya. Oh, fish on. Small one. Small one. Nice. Woo! Oh, he came off. Oh, he picked it up again. Oh, come on. I know you want it. No, but it's like 1 pound, like that. Small. Yep, of course. Fish on. Nice. Small one, small one. Woo! Nice. Alright guys, here's a small little cute looking Temensis caught on the IA 2.25 inch Sagai Slapper. Woo! Nice. Look at this. Fish. Yeah. Oh. Maybe 2 pounds, 3 pounds. Oh, swimming up. No, it's swimming upwards. There it is. Okay. Nice. Oh, auto release.